Hi there, this is Lida, and welcome to another episode of How to Use DreamClass. In this video, we're going to see how we can build our school schedule and our calendar. So the school year is just around the corner, and I want to show you how you're able to manage your class schedule and how eventually that will create your school's calendar. If you look to the left, there is a calendar option. And this is how a recurring lesson looks like in DreamClass. We call it a lesson because we use class in a different way. But in reality, it's a class. Like I have a class, a Bible class at 9 to 10. I have math from 10 to 11. I have Arabic from 12 to 8. We call that a recurring lesson. So once you click here, one of the tasks that you need to do in the beginning of your DreamClass implementation is to add the recurring lesson. So I'll go by grade, select a class, choose a teacher, always if you have assigned the teachers, add the days of the week, right? Make sure that this is working properly and it will reflect the calendar year that you're running. And once you're done, click save. What I just did added this recurring slot and continue with the rest of the first grade classes so that once you're done, you can go to another class. If you notice the color is blue, this might be because I'm using blue for first grade and I might be using green for other classes. Just to quickly show you, if you go to the curriculum course catalog, if I filter the first grade classes, I can change the color if for your school is orange, right? So if orange is the color for your first graders, you are able to use this color and immediately the calendar will reflect those changes. That's it. There's not another way right now for you to do that. So please know that this is the only way where you're able to create recurring lessons. And some tips is if you're new to DreamClass, make sure that you go to the calendar settings first. Because you can see that in the calendar, you're able to control the start time and the end time of your school. If your school starts at 8:30, please go to 8, right? So choose 8 because you're not able to add in increments of half. And then if the default duration of your classes, let's say is 55 minutes, go ahead and do that so that can be the default. If you do not have school on Sundays and Saturdays, you can add those as resting days. Please note that we're choosing the dates that we're not having school, not the days that we are. You hit save, and then if you go to the classrooms, if you're using classrooms, you can also add them here and connect them with the recurring lessons. Not many people do that, so you can skip that if you don't want it. And in the holidays, you're able to add a holiday, and by default on that day, the entire calendar will be blocked, right? Going back now into the classes, there is another way to add the calendar. If you're a person who works with a specific context in mind, like I like to follow that approach, but if you prefer the first one, go. I like to go through the classes, and then once I'm in English language arts, I'd like to go to the schedule, set that up, then go back to the math, go to the schedule, add it and go back. The reason I do that is because I would like to finish setting up the schedules according to the context that I'm dealing with each time. So this gives me the option to know that I'm done with first grade, then move to second, then move to third, then move to fourth. And you can go here, and this way you know that you're not going to go back and reset that up. I hope this little tip is going to help you. If you are somebody who would like to receive a walkthrough on how to do that, you can always contact us at support@dreamclass.io or comment in the video down below, and we'll be happy to schedule a meeting with you. If you're somebody that loves videos, please feel free to suggest another one if it's going to help you. And if you think that this video wasn't helpful, you can also let me know and I can produce a new one. Have a great day. Bye.